Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install MapMyFitness Workout Trainer in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search MapMyFitness Workout Trainer. There you can see MapMyFitness Workout Trainer by MapMyFitness Incorporation. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy using MapMyFitness to help you with your fitness journey. This much for today's video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.